Hello there, welcome to our guide on how to use voice search on your Samsung Smart TV. Voice commands can make it easier to control your TV, search for shows, and even adjust settings all without lifting a finger. To get started, grab your TV remote, then press the home button. Now navigate to settings on your screen. Once you are in the settings menu, scroll down and select General. Uh, In the general section, look for the select voice. Now choose voice assistant to pick Bixby from the options. Then hit OK to confirm Bixby as your voice assistant. If you want to customize your voice assistant's experience, you can select Bixby voice settings. Here you can change the language, adjust voice responses, and even modify sound feedback. Now you all set up. To start using voice search, simply press the microphone button on your TV remote. Once the microphone is active, say "Hi Bixby" and start giving commands like search for action movies or turn up the volume. And that's it. You have successfully enabled and started using Bixby on your Samsung Smart TV. Enjoy hands-free control and make your viewing experience even more convenient. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more helpful tips and tricks.